Well, now I want to show you how I could show you truly that this scales to big data. So let's go to Snowflake. So if you're a Snowflake customer or considering a Snowflake customer, what you can see is that Snowflake ships with sample data. And their sample data, let's look at the schemas. They have TPC-DS, which is retail data, and I'm going to be using today the 100 terabyte data set. So I built a model in the TPC data set, which you see here. I call it TPC store and web sales. So here's all the metadata, and here's all that raw TPC data that we used with, that we actually created with on Snowflake. So let's go ahead and let's load up a new, let's close this out, and I'll load up a new data source to actually explore that data. So let's go and let's load up in Tableau and connect to AtScale with this Snowflake 100 terabyte TPC data benchmark. So what we're going to see here is there's all my metrics. No cheating here. Store, web sales, you have it. And then there's all my dimensions. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about, I just ran a live query to say we're looking at 265 billion rows of data. And we're looking at over 13 trillion items sold. This is all live queries against that Snowflake data. Nothing done pre-done on this. So let's go ahead and let's go and get rid of that. Let's go get rid of that counter for a second and just keep our quantity sold. And let's do some real queries here. So let's start first with our time dimension. So let's go to our data attributes. Let's go look at our sold date, and let's look at the calendar year and see what's sold. There we have it by date. Okay, let's go and now let's look at this by product. So let's look at our product attributes, and let's look at our product dimension. And let's first start at the category level. Again, a live query, all running against AtScale and Snowflake live. Let's go and let's do a drill down and keep sports. And let's go and now look at what kinds of other classes of products we have in sports. Well, there you got it. There's the classes. Again, a live query, not a data extract. And let's now look at golf, and look at golf. There's now golf, and let's look within golf. Let's go and look at customer demographics. Let's look at income band. Let's see if there's rich people who only play golf. Well, since this is TPC-DS data, it's all generated, not really interesting insights. But what I want to show you is that by looking at the totals, this is live data. I just looked at 84 billion rows of data, or 84 billion items, all done instantaneously with AtScale. So this is the power, and this is the proof that AtScale can scale to anything that you have without compromise, and without having to pre-aggregate data or to take slices of data using any tool you